At dawn, vast raspberry fields come alive as advanced harvesters begin their work. Precision harvesting ensures only the ripest raspberries are collected. Each vibrant berry begins its journey, picked gently by advanced machinery. Freshly harvested raspberries are swiftly transported from farm to facility. Colossal trucks arrive at the automated receiving bay, delivering fresh ingredients for processing. Human expertise oversees the intricate dance of automation, ensuring every step is precise. Colossal machinery initiates the first stage of our journey, unloading the harvest. Millions of crimson jewels cascade, an abundant harvest ready for transformation. From field to factory, the journey of perfect raspberries has begun. A gentle immersion bath meticulously cleanses the delicate raspberries. State-of-the-art technology ensures each berry is perfectly prepared for processing. Next, a high-volume, low-pressure spray rinse ensures a final, thorough clean. This two-stage washing process ensures maximum purity while maintaining berry integrity. From immersion to rinse, every step is precise, ensuring exceptional quality. Advanced automation ensures flawless quality control and seamless progression. Advanced optical sorters meticulously inspect each raspberry, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds. High-resolution cameras and lasers create detailed profiles, identifying even the slightest imperfections. Compressed air jets swiftly and precisely eject any berries that do not meet the stringent quality criteria. Only the purest, most perfect raspberries continue their journey, destined for canning or juicing. Skilled technicians remotely monitor the sorter's performance, ensuring optimal efficiency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. This meticulous sorting guarantees that only premium raspberries, perfect in every way, continue to the next stage. The journey begins as an endless stream of gleaming, empty steel cans enters the automated production line. Precise engineering guides each can, ensuring perfect alignment for the stages ahead. Every can moves with precision, a testament to modern industrial ingenuity. Precision engineering guides each can through the high-speed filling process. Dozens of heads work in harmony, ensuring every can meets exacting standards. The automated process ensures consistency, can after can, with unparalleled speed. The dance of technology ensures peak efficiency, a spectacle of modern manufacturing. Automated precision ensures each can receives the perfect amount of syrup. A perfectly measured stream of clear, light syrup cascades into each can. An American worker oversees the critical process, ensuring flawless syrup distribution. Inside, the vibrant raspberries are perfectly preserved in the clear, glistening syrup. Human expertise provides an additional layer of quality assurance. With syrup perfectly added, the cans advance, ready for the next crucial step in their journey. Hundreds of cans are sealed every minute by advanced machinery, ensuring freshness and quality. The automated system ensures relentless production flow, maintaining consistent output. The sealed cans are now ready for the next critical steps in their journey. From raw fruit to perfectly preserved, every step ensures premium quality. Sealed cans enter the massive pasteurization tunnel, embarking on their journey to preservation. Advanced sensors continuously monitor conditions, guaranteeing product integrity. Exiting the tunnel, cans are now safely pasteurized and ready for cooling. Human oversight ensures the automated process operates flawlessly. Colossal machinery initiates the gentle, yet powerful, extraction of vibrant raspberry juice. The immense screw press engages, its powerful force beginning to unlock the fruit's rich essence. Pure, vibrant juice cascades into collection, while the remaining pulp is efficiently separated. The automated process ensures a continuous, high-volume flow of freshly pressed raspberry juice. This advanced pressing technology ensures maximum yield and pristine quality for every drop. Powerful centrifuges spin rapidly, separating the finer pulp and seeds from the clear, brilliant juice. Pure, brilliant red liquid now flows, leaving behind impurities for unmatched clarity. Separated pulp and seeds are automatically collected, minimizing waste. The now purified juice, crystal clear and vibrant, is ready for the next stage. Each giant centrifuge, a marvel of engineering, ensures optimal juice purification. Advanced flash pasteurization rapidly treats and cools the juice, preserving its fresh flavor. Inside, the juice navigates a labyrinth of heated plates, ensuring rapid and even heat distribution. Precise temperature control at every stage is vital for quality. The pasteurized juice emerges, its fresh flavor and vibrant color preserved. From raw fruit to purified juice, technology ensures peak quality and flavor. Precision engineering guides each empty bottle onto the high-speed bottling line. Streams of vibrant raspberry juice fill bottles simultaneously, a testament to efficiency. The immense scale of automation ensures consistent, high-volume production. Automated capping machines ensure every bottle is sealed with flawless precision. Completed bottles transition smoothly, prepared for stringent quality assurance checks. Human oversight ensures seamless operations, maintaining peak performance. Each bottle of vibrant raspberry juice is meticulously labeled, ready for consumers. A marvel of modern engineering, ensuring purity and precision from fruit to bottle. Precision robotics guide each can and bottle through high-speed labeling, ensuring perfect presentation. In a blur of motion, labels are perfectly affixed, transforming products for the global market. From raw fruit to finished product, technology ensures every item meets the highest standards. Precision engineering guides every movement, ensuring perfect arrangement of our premium products. From single units to perfectly packed cases, automation drives unparalleled speed and accuracy. This automated precision guarantees every customer receives a perfectly packaged product every time. Colossal robotic arms begin their intricate dance, precisely stacking cases of our premium raspberries. A fully loaded pallet, a testament to robotic efficiency, now awaits its journey to the next phase. The autonomous vehicle seamlessly docks and secures the heavy pallet for its automated journey. A symphony of automation, the palletizing station works tirelessly, ensuring consistent production flow. Automated precision ensures every pallet is securely wrapped, protecting the quality within. With robotic efficiency, each pallet is meticulously prepared for its journey to global markets. Hundreds of finished pallets stand ready, a testament to efficiency and global reach.